Well, my name is Nicky Assmann and I just graduated from the Master Art Science at the Interfaculty at Den Haag. And the piece you're watching behind me is called Solace, and which refers to a moment of peace in times of distress. And what you're seeing is what I call a soap film apparatus. And the soap film has a double meaning, and according to that in English, the soap film is the film itself and also referring to the cinematic aspect that it has. So another part of the concept is that in this light situation the soap film becomes a mirror, and but with an altered vision, and this is a part of the confrontation between you and the spatial intervention of the soap film. And as soon as it pops, then again it's gone. I've been building this installation, or I've been researching this installation for a long time, in the sense that I've been coming from a research in structures, and I was working with foam, and foam is a very stable structure, and what this actually is a zooming in on the characteristics of the soap itself. So the reflection, the mirroring, and the colors that come out through light. So I have two light setups, and there's a slow fade from the foreground light situation to the two spots projected on the screen. What then happens is that instead of a mirror effect, it becomes the screen, the soap film becomes transparent, and another characteristics of the soap will come out, namely that the reflections will enter the space and will touch all the walls and the floor, and make the space more alive and more vibrant.